I'm Dan Benhart, Product Support Specialist with Mitutoyo America Corporation. In this video, we'll discuss the use of a vernier caliper. With a lint-free cloth, wipe any dust off of the caliper. Place a piece of paper between the measuring faces and lightly close them. Without opening the jaws, pull the piece of paper out from between them, ensuring that both faces are free from dust and oil. Next, perform a quick check on the parallelism of the outside jaws. Do this by holding the caliper up to a nearby light source, with the measuring faces parallel and in line with your eyes and the light. You should not be able to see any light between the jaws. If you do, there may be contamination on them. Reclean the jaws with a piece of paper and check again. If there's still light shining through, there is likely damage to the caliper and it will need to be repaired. If the outside jaws are okay, check the inside measuring jaws if present. There should be a small amount of light between them, and the edges should be clean and free from burrs. Finally, check that the sliding jaw moves smoothly over the length of the beam. If it does, your caliper is ready to use. For maximum accuracy, keep the workpiece as close as possible to the beam of the caliper. Failure to do this causes the measuring force to be applied at the ends of the jaws where the most flex occurs. In some cases, the ends of the jaws are the only parts which can reach the feature that needs to be measured. If this happens, take great care not to apply excessive force, as this will cause the flexing we just discussed. To measure with a caliper, simply bring the measuring faces into contact with the workpiece. Make sure that the faces are parallel to the workpiece by sweeping in all directions to find the minimum value for external features and the maximum value for internal features. Calipers can also be used for step measurement. This is done using the step measuring faces, located on the end of the caliper nearest the jaws. Simply set the face of the sliding jaw on the upper step, and slide the other face down to the lower step, again looking for the minimum measurement once both faces are in contact. Lastly, if your caliper is equipped with a depth bar, you can use it as a depth gauge. The depth bar can be seen on the back of the caliper and is attached to the sliding jaw. To use the depth bar, place the end of the beam at the top of the workpiece and simply slide the sliding jaw down until the end of the depth bar contacts the bottom of the workpiece. As with the step measurement, you're looking for the minimum value once both measuring faces are in contact with the workpiece.